Good morning, John. This is Mutlu. I'll try to answer your question 9 and question 13 from quiz 11. However, I'm not going to answer the whole question. I'm just going to model the problem, which is, I think, part A for both problems. I think you can further go along from there. So let's start with question 9. Okay, a rain gutter is formed by bending up the sides 40-inch wide rectangular metal sheet as shown in the figure. So I think this picture is not very helpful. That could be the problem of it. So if you want to have a look at the picture in a bird view, when we move up the sides, that's what we're doing actually. So this is that X here, referring the X's there. All right. So then 40-inch wide. So this was 40 here in the picture. So it was 40 here. Okay, with the X, two X's. Those two X's included. So then this portion will become 40 minus 2x. Okay. And the area, which they've been asking, this portion will be 40 minus 2x times x, and this will be the area of the gutter. I guess the problem was gutter. Okay, so then you can open up that parentheses, which is 40x minus 2x squared, and perform the other parts of the problem. So I think the picture that they're giving here was not very helpful. The three-dimensional one. This two-dimensional one could be helping you more. So this is for question 9. Now, question 13. Okay. So we have a wrench. This is given in terms of W, so we're assuming that this part is W, and this part we don't know, let's call it Y. Okay, so from that W we have another W length here, another W here, another W there, and finally the very outside part, and this is Y. Okay. So, okay. So then they're asking the total area of the 4 pens. So our job, first job, is write down the W and Y in terms of each other. So what I think when I first look at it, I have a perimeter of that thing, and I have only 750 feet for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 W's and 2 Y's. Okay. Now this will help me to write down Y in terms of W. So then I will solve for Y here. Then I will obtain Y as 750 minus 5W over 2. Oops. So I did better. Okay. Then the area of the 4 panes, which is area 1, area 2, area 3, area 4, right, is actually the area of the rectangular. So that will be W times Y. Okay. So then they want it in as a function of W. So W times 750 minus 5W over 2. And then we can further go along as 750 over 2W minus 5W squared over 2. However, I guess they want it in a special form which they want you to take -5/2 out in the final answer, which it's algebra here, right? And you can do that. If you take the -5/2 out, so then you will have a positive W square there, and then inside you are going to have -150 W. All right, so this will be your function. That's the form that you wanted to enter, I'm guessing, or at least in mine. As long as you have started to work from here, you can answer the rest of the parts of the question. All right, so have a good rest of the weekend, whatever is little left, and I'll see you on Tuesday. But if you have any extra questions, I'll be happy to answer them. All right, bye.